Hi Shanaz, it's Jen. So I'm going to go outside and I'm going to walk around my entire yard so you can see how insane the snowstorm was and what you are missing right now. They're saying that in Shakopee we got 21.5 inches of snow and we got 17 here in Brooklyn Park, I believe. I haven't measured, but I don't need to, you'll see. We were out there yesterday cleaning off my roommate's car and I jumped in and made a snow angel and ended up getting stuck in a snowbank. So here we go. I will show you our winter wonderland. So this is the view from outside of our home. You can see how high the snowbanks are. There's the ground and there's the tree, and you can see it's like almost halfway to where that splits. And then you can go this way and you can see our little cable. That thing is just near under. It's insane. Here, and I'll go this way so you guys can see more. If you hear that racket, that's Aaron on the roof right now. We did not want our house to cave in like the Metrodome did earlier today, so he is removing 3 feet of snow approximately off of the top of the roof. So, I don't know if we can see him up there or not, but it is just crazy how much it snowed. And that's what the craziest part is. If you see farther back there, there's these snow drifts. It's like parts of it, you know, some of the snow was like empty, and then in front it just like gusts up into these enormous piles of snow. We had really bad winds last night, so it was just insane. I can show you our neighbor's pile right there. That is a lot, it was a lot of snow. Here, I'll walk out here so y'all can see how deep this is. Alright, you can watch me walk. It's just crazy how deep this is. It's at least to my knee right now. It's crazy. So much snow. Look at how big my big feet are. And then if you look ahead, it's like green grass. But then it all gusts into this ginormous pile right here. Never seen anything like it. Could like jump off the roof. I think my husband is up there. Aaron, you still up there? Yes. Wave at Shanaz. I'm making a movie for her.
Shanaz?
Yeah.
Why?
Because she wanted to see how bad it was. So he's cleaning off the roof. It was just terrible.
Stay right there.
No, don't get me full of snow. Jerk.
What?
Don't get snow on me.
This is what we do in Minnesota.
So you can see these drifts like right there. It's a good.
I can actually grip the roof now.
That's good.
How full is it right there?
It's bad. I can make a snow fort right there.
Easily makes.
Alright, well there you have it. Here's our winter wonderland. Hope you're enjoying your 70-degree weather. Bye now. Hey, I thought I'd make one more clip. This is pretty crazy. That's the top of our 75th lane sign. And there's the pile of snow. It is just crazy. And I'll let you see it on our street too. It's just a lot of snow. They wouldn't even dig us out yesterday. It was nuts. We're all just kind of stranded in our houses, and it's a lot better now, but it's just a lot of snow. I think Aaron's still up here. I can show you the other side of the house. You could pretty much snowboard right there off of it. Look at all that snow. That's how deep it was. And then bam, there's the snow pile. I could like climb on the roof from right there. Yeah. So here he's gonna show you his mad skills of shoveling snow off the roof. Kinds of fun. Alright, my ears are freezing, so I'm going in. See ya. Bye.